Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to Tangled Testing, the channel about testing the 3D printing filament and the different 3D printing settings. For a long time, filament manufacturers have kind of been getting away with stuff. They haven't been held to a very high standard of consistency across their different products, and there's also been really no way to verify that what they're giving you is actually what they say they're giving you. So on this channel, what we intend to do is just start running through filament and running through print settings in order to debunk some of the myths and to hold manufacturers accountable. We will do this through compression testing, tensile testing, any other types of typical tests that you can have, from flammability to UV, as the channel continues to grow. And every once in a while, we will do a random and just kind of entertaining test just to kind of see how something behaves. The goal is to make this channel useful so that when you are designing a product for 3D printing, you're able to make reasonable determinations about how that product should be made and what materials will actually allow you to achieve your goals. Now, this is going to be a very long-term mission. We're going to have to work at this for years collecting all of the data. But long-term, what we want to get to is good ASTM standards and data to where you have a chart of materials and manufacturers where you can reliably predict how the materials are going to behave once they're 3D printed. So if you think that'll be useful to you and having some good data about how certain 3D printed materials behave, please subscribe to the channel, stay tuned, and we will start having a whole bunch of really fun videos starting to come out that hopefully will also be pretty darn useful in deciding what types of filaments and what types of print settings to use on your next project. Have a great day, everybody.